Are you tired of tossing and turning at night, struggling to get a good night's sleep? You're not alone. Insomnia affects millions of people worldwide, but the good news is that there are many proven remedies that can help you improve your sleep quality. Remedy number 1, Melatonin. Studies have shown that melatonin, a hormone naturally produced by the body, can help regulate sleep patterns and improve sleep quality. However, always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Remedy number 2, Exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity not only benefits your overall health but also promotes better sleep. Make time for at least 30 minutes of exercise each day, such as walking, jogging, or yoga. Just remember to finish exercising at least a few hours before bedtime to allow your body to wind down. Remedy number 3, Establish a bedtime routine. Creating a consistent pre sleep ritual can signal your body that it's time to unwind and prepare for rest. Consider activities such as reading a book or taking a warm bath or practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing and meditation. Remedy number 4, Maintain a sleep friendly environment. Your sleep environment plays a crucial role in promoting restful sleep. Ensure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. Consider using earplugs, eye masks, or white noise machines if needed. Also, keep electronic devices out of the bedroom to reduce distractions. Remedy number 5, Cognitive Behavioral Therapy for Insomnia. CBT for insomnia is a structured therapy that targets the root causes of insomnia, helping in identifying and address negative thoughts and behaviors that may contribute to sleep disturbances. Research has shown that CBT is highly effective in treating insomnia, so consider consulting a sleep specialist or therapist trained in CBT insomnia. Remedy number 6, Limit caffeine and alcohol intake. Both caffeine and alcohol can disrupt your sleep. Caffeine, found in coffee, tea, and some sodas, is a stimulant that can interfere with falling asleep. Alcohol may initially make you drowsy but can disrupt the stages of sleep. Limit consumption of these substances, especially in the evening, and consider replacing them with herbal teas like chamomile tea. Remedy number 7, Relaxation techniques. Incorporating relaxation techniques into your daily routine can help calm your mind and promote better sleep. Try techniques such as progressive muscle relaxation, guided imagery, or aromatherapy with essential oils like lavender. Find what works best for you and make it a part of your wind down routine. Remember, finding the right remedy may take time and experimentation. If your insomnia persists, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional. Sweet dreams, and thank you for watching.